Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn how to move computers from one OU to another OU. New location of the computers can be same or it can be different, but we require distinguished name of all the computers that we want to move and the distinguished name of the new location where all computers will be moved. So we will learn two different ways to move the computers from one OU to another OU by using the PowerShell. I have also created another video to move the computers manually. Manually is also good way if you want to move only one or two computers. But whenever we are moving any computers or computers in the bulk from different location to different locations, maybe your computers are lying. Suppose you are having 10 computers and those are lying in 10 different locations and you are moving them to 3 or 4 or 10 different locations. So in this way, manual thing is really time consuming, not difficult, but it is just time consuming. So we should save the time by using the PowerShell and we will learn how to do so. So this is my computer. So this is a CMDlet that we are going to use for one purpose or one way. Move-ADObject-identity. Here we are going to put current distinguished name of my computer and hyphen target path. This will be the new location, or I would say distinguished name of my organization unit where my computer will be moved. So if you are having 10 or 100 computers, you can create 10 line this like this, and you will be able to move the computer from one location to another location. So definitely here and here computer name will be different, and in this location 3 you can see it doesn't matter, all the threes can be different and all the three can be same, but you need the correct one, I would say. So how we can get the distinguished name. Suppose someone gave you one computer, for example someone gave you one computer like INDEPC01. Okay, you will select computer here and just find it, and you will open this and you will see object, and you can see where your computer is. It is under computers OU, or this is just called container. And but for this you should able to enable this, or you should enable this advanced feature, otherwise you will not be able to see that particular attribute. Okay, now you know your computer is here. Just open that computer, you will go attribute editor, and this is the distinguished name of my computer. So this is the manual way to get the distinguished name of the computer. We can also use the PowerShell. I will include that things in the upcoming videos. Otherwise this video will be too long. Okay, so here I can just mention my computer name, and same way I can mention it in the line 2 the PC01 PC03 something, and we can mention the new location of the computer. Okay, suppose I want to move my computers in Patiala. Here what I can do, just right click, properties, attribute editor, this one, copy this, and I need to put it here. Okay, just hit this, and if all fine, you will see computer name is here. Let's move it back. You can use the same way for more than one computer, and you can use the Excel as well for making this process a little bit fast. Open the Excel. Okay, I know this is my command, right? So I need to divide it some parts. This one, Control X, put it here. Now I have my computer name, right? Computer is starting from here to here. Control X, this one here, and the last one is this. Only three tab we are going to use. And I can copy this. If you do not want to copy like this, no problem. But what we can do, Control Z. Okay. Now you need to know that that is also will be in the different column. Okay, so now you know, okay, you are going to move this computer INDEPC01, and again you are going to move that computer. So you need to know where your computer is so that you can go there and get the distinguished name. But I know for testing purpose these are there, so I can just coming here. Okay. In the same way, you can just use 4, 5, or 100 computers, or you can just get all the distribution name all the computers by using the PowerShell, and you are having distribution name, just put it here. It will be more easy. 1, 4, 3, and 6. Just for okay. Now I have the computer that I want to move, and I can just there is no need to change anything here. No need to change anything here. Here you want to change. If you want, you can change. Otherwise, you can keep it as it is. Suppose I want to move this computer in Pune. So you should be very careful while you are doing this, so that you can just, and I want to move this in Delhi. So distinguished name of your computer must be correct, and the new location must be correct. You should be aware where you're moving, and you should double check, or you can also generate the report after moving to understand whether those have been moved correctly to the correct location or not. So now we have this, but we copy this in the notepad, right? We need to just close this. It will look like something like this. So now you have option to just do like this, or you can also do something like this, like Control C, Control A, Control H. Put it here, whatever you have copied, and what you need, you just need one space, right? Let's see what has happened, right? Okay, that is also not correct. Or, or we can just do like this, Control C, Control A, Control H, put the copy here, whatever you took, and remove the space, so that you can see there should not be any space under colon or your CN. Now it is fine, but again, there are so many things to do. I need one space after identity. Okay, give one space here, replace all. Now we are having a space here, and we need one more space here as well, right? We can say, okay, select this target path or everything. What I need one space before the target path and one space after target path, right? Okay, so this is the one way to correct it, and another way is simple. You can just come here, start, select this one, and we are starting from A to D, right? So A1 comma B1 comma C1 comma D1. Okay, yes, okay, E, right? So just double click, and now you have got all the required information that you wanted to. Little bit quick, right? Hmm? So just copy this and run this. Why it is coming here? Leave it. Something has happened. Why it is showing? Move-AD of your identity. Move-identity. Move-AD-object identity CN INDEPC01. Move-AD-object. What is wrong in this? We will check this later. Okay, no problem. We just run this. A position format cannot be found the X argument system object string. What we did? Move-AD object. Things are side. Copy again. Hmm. Why it is giving this error? The string is missing the terminator. Move-AD identity. C. Okay, okay, okay. Got it. Something is missing here. Now we are fine. Why it did not come? Okay, I forgot to add. So you should ensure. Okay, if you see this one, just remove this. See, I forgot to add those here. That's why it is coming. Okay, good that we found the mistake. So now we have this one. Now we can run object direct object not found. Which one is not found? INDEPC01. Okay. So here we can see it should be moved to Patiala computers, and we can just refresh. Okay, it was moved earlier and it gave error for 3. Now we can if you let's move all back. Okay, so that we can do the things properly. Dolly, do you have anything? Yes, move this here to here. Computers, Patiala, Pune. I just move this as well. Okay. Haryana as well, right? Nothing is here. So we wanted to move Patiala, Pune, Delhi. Delhi, nothing. This is not my computer that I am interested. Patiala is not here and Pune is not here. So if we run the command right now, it should not give error, any error. Very good. Here only one computer. You can see 06 was moved to Delhi. 01 and 03 were moved to Patiala. Okay. And 04 was moved to Pune. Okay. This is the one way for making this fast. Now we learn another way. Okay. So let's move them back so that we can do our practical or just simply see how many computers are there. Here we are having 1, 2, 3, 5. So we only move 6. We are not moving. Here nothing. 1, 3. We are moving. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay. All are here that I am interested to move. So this is another way to move the computers. And here you just no need to use Excel anything. You just need to mention your new location of your organization unit in the good sequence where you want to move and put the distinguished name of your computers that you want to move. But remember, they should be in the well sequence If you want to move, see, this is my file. It will say, okay, move this first 05 to Delhi. So if you just move here and there, up and down, then computers will be moved as per the sequence that you are putting in the file. So now you can see new destination is missing one OU, because in the right hand side I am having 4 computers that will be moved, but in the new destination I am only having 3. So my fourth computer will not be moved. So I need to mention the location for my fourth computer. It can be different, it can be same. You can keep all the 4 same, doesn't matter. Location of your 4 computer can be Delhi or Haryana or Pune or Patiala or anything else, or location for all the 4 computers can be different. But you need to mention the correct sequence. This is the only challenge here. So I saved this, and it was already saved. Let me close this. Now we need to run. Very good. So just refresh this. Nothing is here, and you can see this one is here already. Delhi, where I moved. Okay, I moved Delhi, Haryana, Pune. Two were moved to Haryana. One were Two were moved to Haryana. One to Pune. Another to Delhi. We have one thing in Delhi. One minute. 5 should be moved to. Let me say here. Okay, 5 should be moved to Delhi. We need to refresh something. See, 5 should be moved to Delhi, and 2 should be moved to. Here we can see 1 and 3 should be moved to Haryana. Very good. Again, 2 should be moved to Pune. So it is very important to know where they should be moved, and you are putting them in the correct location and the correct sequence. So that's all for this video. If you have learned something new, kindly like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.